Best Stretchable Sofa Covers Review. In this video, we'll share with you our top pick of one of those universal sofa covers that you can use over and over again regardless of which sofa design you have. And we'll share with you some of the features of this bestseller so that you can see why it's so popular. Also in this video, you'll get to see a quick demo clip of how easy it is to use this sofa cover on virtually any sofa combination you can imagine. The one that made our list is called the Easygoing Stretch Sofa Slipcover. Now this slipcover is made of 20% spandex and 80% polyester. It fits a total sitting area of about 60 to 81 inches. This slipcover protects your sofa from daily wear and stains, and there are various colors to choose from. It's really easy to use, as you'll see in the video clip later, and every now and then you can just throw it in the machine with some mild laundry detergent and it'll be ready to go again. Remember not to bleach it and do not iron it. To check out the full specs of this easygoing stretch sofa cover and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/stretchcover. Here's a quick video demo of how to use this slip cover on your sofa. Never mind the design you see in the video itself, there are a lot more beautiful colors to choose from on the actual product page. So there you go, the easygoing stretch sofa slip cover. Really easy to use, isn't it? Now you can extend the life of your sofa for years and years to come. Again, to check out the full specs of this stretch sofa slip cover and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/stretchcover. Alright, thank you for watching.